Welcome to our physics tutorial on the torque experienced by an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. This is an important concept in electromagnetism that helps us understand how polar molecules behave in external electric fields. Let's first understand what an electric dipole is. An electric dipole consists of two equal but opposite charges separated by a small distance. We typically represent this with a positive charge and a negative charge connected by a rod or a line. The electric dipole moment, denoted as P, is a vector that points from the negative charge to the positive charge and has a magnitude equal to the charge multiplied by the distance between them. Now, let's introduce a uniform electric field. A uniform electric field has the same magnitude and direction at every point in space. We typically represent it with parallel field lines. By convention, electric field lines point in the direction that a positive charge would move if placed in the field. When an electric dipole is placed in an external electric field, the positive and negative charges experience forces in opposite directions. Let's place our dipole in the electric field and see what happens. The positive charge feels a force in the direction of the electric field, while the negative charge experiences a force in the opposite direction. These opposing forces create a torque that tends to rotate the dipole to align with the electric field. Let's derive the expression for the torque on the electric dipole. Torque is defined as the cross product of the position vector from the axis of rotation to the point of force application and the force itself. The force on each charge is given by the charge multiplied by the electric field. Due to the small size of the dipole compared to variations in the external field, we can simplify and express the torque in terms of the dipole moment and the electric field. The resulting formula is the torque equals the cross product of the dipole moment vector and the electric field vector. The magnitude of this torque depends on the angle between the dipole moment and the electric field. The magnitude of the torque is equal to the product of the magnitudes of the dipole moment and the electric field, multiplied by the sine of the angle between them. When the dipole is aligned with the field, the torque is zero. The torque reaches its maximum when the dipole is perpendicular to the field. The torque on the dipole is related to the change in potential energy of the dipole field system. The potential energy of a dipole in an electric field is given by the negative dot product of the dipole moment and the electric field. When the dipole is aligned with the field, the potential energy is at its minimum. When the dipole is anti-aligned with the field, the potential energy is at its maximum. The torque is related to the potential energy through the derivative of the potential energy with respect to the angle. Let's look at some real-world examples where this concept applies. Water molecules have a permanent electric dipole moment due to the uneven distribution of electrons. When exposed to an electric field, water molecules tend to align with the field. This principle is utilized in microwave ovens, where water molecules in food rotate as they try to align with the rapidly alternating electric field, generating heat through friction. Cell membranes in biology also contain polar molecules that respond to electric fields, affecting many biological processes. Let's solve a numerical example to solidify our understanding. Consider a water molecule with a dipole moment of 6.2 times 10 to the minus 30 coulometers. It's placed in a uniform electric field of 5 times 10 to the 5th newtons per coulomb at an angle of 30 degrees to the field. Let's calculate the torque on this water molecule. Using our formula tau equals P times E times sine theta, we get 6.2 times 10 to the minus 30 times 5 times 10 to the 5th times sine of 30 degrees, which equals 1.55 times 10 to the minus 24 newton meters. In conclusion, an electric dipole in a uniform electric field experiences a torque that tends to align it with the field direction. The torque is given by the cross product of the dipole moment and the electric field. In magnitude form, it's the product of the dipole moment, the electric field, and the sine of the angle between them. This concept is fundamental to understanding molecular behavior in electric fields and has applications in chemistry, biology, and various technologies. Thank you for watching.